I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to be using this small little brush that I got for free from Sephora, and this bigger brush from EcoTools, and I'm going to be using these two products. So this is MAC Sketch, and this is like a deep brown with like warm undertone, and this is the bronzer by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's in the number 3. So what I like to do when it comes to like contouring, I guess you can say it's like contouring and bronzer at the same time, but it's just with this brush, go like this, and I just do that harsh line right there. Another one here. Right there, and then I put a little bit here in the temples and my forehead, and then whatever is left, I don't put more product, I just do that on my nose. Okay, I added the contour on my face, and now I'm just going to blend that out using the bronzer, the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Since my face is a bit on the round side, I like to like put a little bit of bronzer, not too much, just a little bit here to kind of like make my jawline a little bit more chiseled. I don't know if it does anything, but I just like doing it. I also like to put a little bit of bronzer here because it just makes the lips look bigger and like poutier. And that's about it. The contour is done. I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer here on my eyelids, and that's it. Bronzer is done. I'm going to apply blush, and here I have my NARS palette, and this is my favorite double-ended brush, and I'm going to use this one. I think it's called Torrid, I'm not sure, by NARS, and just go here. I'm going to get a little bit of Taj Mahal, just a little bit, just dab it in and just put it here on the high tops and just concentrate the color here on top. Blush is done. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of highlighter. Most people like to do their eyeshadow first. Like me, my eyeshadow is not really like intricate or anything like that, so that's something that I like to do last. But yeah, I'm going to use this Pat McGrath and use the other end of my brush and just dab a little bit, not too much, here on the side. My face is pretty much done, and so now I'm just going to apply eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using my Pat McGrath Bronze Goddess, and it's basically just neutrals. Primer for my eyes. This time I didn't use primer, I just used the foundation and a little bit of concealer on my eyelids, and you know, when I applied foundation, I just used that and some powder, and I just used that as eye primer. Color in the middle. So that's it. My eye look is done. Very simple and neutral. And yeah, I'm just gonna put eyeliner and mascara and just quickly do my eyebrows, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and yeah, I just did my eyeliner. I just filled in my brows with the Anastasia like powder. I really don't do nothing special, just fill them in. And yeah, put some mascara. I don't really put like fake eyelashes on. And yeah, but that's really it. It's really simple. On my lips, I have Estee Lauder Mocha with the Estee Lauder lip gloss. This is in the color Peach Chill. And so that's what I have on. And yeah, very simple, easy makeup that it's kind of like my go-to. I really like just a neutral eye. I just find it to be really easy to wear for any occasion, really. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.